Okay, the auto steer system is working right now. I like reverse camera. I need put the machine near to Guidance line. The machine enter very fast. And steer very well. The soil is unlevel, and steer well. This is my harvesting speed near to 2 or 3 kilometers per hour. It's not a problem. It was a problem in soil, but all time go very good. This is an importing line. I transfer with this memory stick from Trimble, and the Guidance system gets very well the Guidance line and plots. Here is a plot importing well.